Hello everyone, Shava Chaudhary welcomes you all. Karnataka KEA 2026 vacancy notice is out and it's a very big and important information and announcement for all of you. After a long tenure, after a long gap, we have Karnataka KEA 2026 Food Safety Officer exam notification. A small notice that has been recently released by the Karnataka authorities, and it's a very big news for the food safety officer aspirants. What we will be discussing: the eligibility, the age limit, pay scale, exam pattern, and the Kannada test that you need for the eligibility. All will be discussed in this video. Please be tuned to this. So this is the official notification. Official notification released by Karnataka KEA for the food safety officer vacancies and other vacancies with respect to the food safety department, food safety division. So total we have 84 vacancies. I will be giving all the bifurcations. I will be giving all the things that are needed and that are important for the food safety officer examinations. All the important education qualification that would be there, important age limits, important eligibilities for the Karnataka food safety officer. Everything will be dealt in detail. Stay tuned. So this is the official notification that has been converted to the language English medium. The Government of Karnataka Department of Health and Family Welfare, in the view factors explained in the proposal, a total of 84 posts for the various cadres section in the vacant in the food safety division of the Food Safety and Drug Administration have been approved and ordered to be filled through direct recruitment through a Karnataka Examination Authority KEA through competitive examination as per the education qualification prescribed in the cadre and the recruitment rules. I will be dealing with the food safety officer examinations and the food safety officer recruitment with respect to designated and junior food analyst also. Stay tuned. So, designated officer, total 7 posts. Food safety officer, very important, total 59 posts. Junior food analyst, total 18 posts. To total, we have 84 posts in the cadre KEA Karnataka Food Safety Officer Examination. Going forward with the permission, this all was a letter that have been recently released. Okay. So you have a very big update. The Karnataka aspirants, the food safety officer aspirants, knowing the Kannada language and knowing and from the background of the education qualification that I will be dealing. The education qualifications are very important for being into the food safety officer examinations. The eligibility is there. So, but a big news for the aspirants of the Karnataka food safety officer. Now the educational qualification. What would be the education qualification? Let me give you a brief introduction, a brief gist about it. Route A will be a degree in dairy technology, biotechnology, oil technology, veterinary science, biochemistry, microbiology, masters in chemistry or degree in medicine from the recognized university. You need a degree. You need just a degree. Whether it be bachelor's or master's or PhD, you just need a degree in dairy, in biotech, oil, veterinary science, biochem, microbiology, masters in chemistry or a degree in medicine. What does a degree in medicine signify? What does degree in food technology and all these things signify? We will be discussing in a detailed manner. A bachelor's or master's or doctorate degree from a recognized university or institution in disciplines under the food technology or the agriculture sciences. What is the domain of food technology? What is the domain of agriculture sciences? Everything we will be dealing in this video in a detailed manner. So, food technology domains. These are the food technology domains that are eligible. If you have a degree in food technology, you are eligible. If you have a degree in food engineering technology, food processing preservation, food processing technology, food technology management, food biotechnology, food plant operation management, food process engineering management, food processing, food safety and quality management, process and food engineering, agriculture engineering, biotechnology, dairy technology, fisheries, food technology, food nutrition, dietetics, and horticulture. In the agriculture science, if you have an agriculture degree with respect to any of the following degrees, you can either have an agriculture science as your degree, you can either have a food technology as your degree, or the following degrees mentioned under the table are also eligible for the food safety officer examination. A big news coming from the Karnataka food safety officer examination. I've already explained about the food technology, about the agriculture science. Now moving forward to the undergraduate medical degree. They have written here a degree in medicine. So what are the degrees that are eligible in medicine? MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BOMS and BSMS. That is Bachelor of Medicine in Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS, BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BOMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery, and BSMS, Bachelor of Siddhi Medicine and Surgery. So, important announcement, one more announcement. I have already launched my premium EdTech Telegram, your WhatsApp group. Basically, it is running on Telegram, in which you will get quizzes, you will get free study materials, some important study materials. You will get PDF notes, some important PDF notes. You will get 10% discount on all the Shahbaz Chaudhary EdTech courses. This is a group that is generally made for the serious aspirants, those who want to go down the line and watch our live lectures, or you can say go for the batches and all these things. Then this is a very, very unique batch with just 99 rupees for only for 1000 members. Okay, 100 members have already crossed now. 99 rupees for 1000 members. You will get a tremendous benefit by joining this one. Okay, please everyone join the group. Benefits are personal one-to-one interaction with Shahbaz Chaudhary sir, weekly discussion, monthly one meet on Google Meet, all FSO on food analyst examinations, papers are there, career counseling will be given. So a very good, unique and a very great group for the serious aspirant. Do join at just 99, validity lifetime. Age limit will be, for the general category, it will be 18 to 35 to 38. OBC will be 18 to 38 to 40 and SC will be 40 to 43. Okay, this is just a, you can say a normal sort of intelligent guessing type, because still the notification has not been out. When it will be out, you will get to know the exact detail, but it will lie somewhere near here. Okay. Expected pay scales, DO will be a gazetted senior, is a gazetted junior, group C a technical one. You can see approx gross salaries that will be given to you. Part 1 will be Kannada language. It will be qualifying in nature, 150 marks. So only the people knowing Kannada language will be eligible for it. So eligibility will now be lie only the education qualification that I have given and the language compulsory Kannada language that you need to know. Competitive examination, objective types, 200 marks. Part 1 general studies and part 2 technical. Okay. Qualifying test will be qualifying in nature, 150 marks, 35 marks will be somewhere around 53 marks qualifying objective, and it will be minus negative marking. Now technical part, we have food chemistry, food microbiology, food processing, food safety and standard act, FSS regulation, FSSI regulations, FSSI website, FSSA act, FSSI initiatives, food safety, food technical, food product management. Everything will be done in the paper 2. Technical part will all be dealt by Shahbaz Chaudhary EdTech. This also will be launched with the combination with it, and it will be launched at a very affordable price of 1499 for the first 100 students. Just for the first 100 students, 1499, covering each and everything. A big announcement for all of you. Now prepare with the confidence. Prepare with Shahbaz Chaudhary EdTech. The app link is in the description. The group Telegram group is in the description. Join that and enjoy the community of food safety officers. Thousands of members are there. Thousands of officers are there. Hundreds of officers are there. Thousands of members are there. A great group for your preparation. For the courses, you are requested to download the app. The app link is there in the description. I have already launched the Karnataka Food Safety Officer batch. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Jai.